Hello everyone, I'm attorney Amy Bailey, and today's Trademark Tip Tuesday video topic is, what do I do if my mark is weak? Well, you have a few options, and the most nuclear of those options is to pick a new mark and to pick a stronger mark. But depending on the extent of your operations, that can be a pretty costly option. So what else could you do? Well, you can keep using your mark and hope that after 5 years' time, when you survey your consumer base, that you can show that the primary consideration in the minds of your consumers is when they see that mark, they connect it to you and your brand. Your third option is to keep your weak mark, but when you seek registration, to incorporate either a logo or a color or other design or stylized font, and that would provide you with a more specific trademark than just the word mark itself.